Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys came back. Long awaited. I have been waiting for this purse for a long time. It was supposed to come earlier, but it hasn't, and finally it came, and so I am so excited to unveil and unbox this with you. If you did watch my previous channel, you probably would know this is how it comes. And it's just a lot of little things in here. So that's the bag. I got this from Revogue. I really like Revogue. I first time purchasing from them. Never bought from them before. I wanted to get the Celine Belt Bag, which they say that there is a bag in there. And that's how it looks like. It's pretty. So exciting. And I purchased this because it says that it was in excellent condition. I went to the Celine website and I was going to buy it directly from the Celine website. And then I was going to get the gray, but I decided to change my mind and decided I was going to get the light taupe. But then I was looking around on different websites, and I went on Revogue, which I've never purchased from them before. But this particular purse came in a when you look at the condition, it says this is in excellent condition, which is almost like brand new, and it's original price. I mean, it's a savings of about $700, so I mean, it's a no-brainer. And it looks awesome. I mean, I thought it's gonna look bigger, but it isn't bad. It's the Celine Belt Bag. It's very, very popular in the light taupe, and as they said, there's this zipper in the back, and it really does look pretty brand new. Ooh, sweetie. For me, I'm all about the smell. Yeah, I just have that leather bag smell, and this is how it looks like. Suede on the inside, very nice. And I shared earlier that I wanted it, I'm going to show this a little bit lower, but you can't quite see me, but I wanted it to be a little bit more, there you go, you can see me better now. This is, I'm going to put this down so it doesn't distract. But I wanted to get this particular one because I was sharing earlier in my previous video that I've been using two purses. One was my Neverfull. I was using my Neverfull with my mini pochette, which I was using it today, so it's not in my room right now. But two different bags, and it's just a lot of bags to be carrying. Spring is coming, and I wanted to change, so I wanted to light taupe because I wanted it to be more like a spring color. But come to think about it, gray might be a better color. Reason being that it doesn't dirty as easily. This is a really nice size, and I like that the strap is actually shorter. Yep, it looks like that. And I like that they already have it all put together for me. And that Celine, you can see Celine on there. Can you see that? There you go. It looks like it's really in good condition. Revogue, they actually, oh yes, they do have the dust bag in there. Celine dust bag. There you go. Very thick, as we know. It's kind of a thing. And they actually keep it in really good shape. It smells really good. It really looks like it's brand new condition. I'm glad I did that. And oh yeah, it says it's certified by Revogue. Here, let's show that to you. Certified. I wanted to do this in daylight, but I got too busy. I was posting on Poshmark, and I just didn't have time until later today, and it's already almost 9 o'clock at night, but I wanted to use this tomorrow, so I was gonna, you know, unveil it today. So this is how it looks like inside. Very nice. There's some weird stuff, but it is really in excellent condition. There's no smell or anything. I mean, this person that sometimes you just have to kind of score, honestly, your purchase. And like I said, it was a $700 saving. If I were to buy directly from the Celine store, it's going to be a lot more expensive. And I was willing to do that, but I just scored when I look at this particular one in Revogue. It was in excellent condition, so I was like, no brainer, I am going to get it. And I didn't want it to carry 2 bags anymore, so that way I can squeeze everything in 1 bag. And I think this one might do the job. It's actually very deep, and it's got a lot of space in there. And it's got a zip. Ooh, the zip is pretty smooth too, which is kind of nice. There you go. And you can hear the quality. To me, it's like you can tell when something's authentic just by the way it zips. And this is in the size mini. I wanted the mini because I wanted the what do you call it, the strap to be shorter, so that was easier to carry. And I believe I can still, everybody's been talking about this clasp being hard to get used to. I have not really used it. Obviously, I don't know how user friendly it is, which I will have to do a review for you how it would be. So far it seems okay, but you know, I'm not really using it like practicality right yet. I mean, practicality I cannot attest to yet because I have not used it personally yet on a daily basis, so I can't quite tell. This is actually in the mini. Mini is actually, I know it's mini sounds like it's supposed to be small, but in Celine, for the Celine line, Celine Belt Bag, mini is actually the biggest of them all. I think they have 2 or 3 other sizes. I think they have the Pico, test my memory. They have the Pico, and then they have the, I don't even remember, but 2 or 3 other size. But this is the biggest of them all, which I think is actually quite okay. So I'm excited to use it, and I'm excited to you know, kind of give you a review of how I actually like it. And of all the Celine Belt bags, this is the only one that actually comes with feet. And let's see, it's actually not even scratched. Can you believe it? How excellent it is. Some, but not like bad or anything. It looks completely fine. So I'm very happy with the purchase, and I think it looks very nice, and I'm excited to use it. And the only thing is I gotta make sure this one doesn't bend, you know, because it looks so weird when it's bent, but it came kind of that way, so I just have to help it unbend. But hopefully you guys like this short little video of my unboxing of my Celine bag through Revogue. What I really like about Revogue is when you order something from them, they actually send you a little note of thank you, and then they are very detailed. Obviously, they got a little certification card, and then they actually send me a couple emails to say thank you for joining the Revogue family, and then they send me a note to thank me for my purchase. And it's, you know, sometimes it's just those little things that count, make you feel like special as a customer. So no complaints so far. Everything went really well. So I am going to share with you the next video on, hopefully I can do this other video in the light, like daylight, just because this is like my camera light, so it's not I mean, it looks, you can see it, but again, daylight makes a big difference in the way it shows. So I hope you like my unboxing. Appreciate you watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I do also have my resale stuff. I have a lot of purses for sale in my Poshmark website or my Facebook shop. My Poshmark website is called Revogue Boutique, R-E-V-O-G-U-E, Revogue. It's a resale boutique. A lot of different items that I'm selling, fine luxury items, and just somewhere in between too as well for the working woman. So hopefully you guys like my unveiling of my new purse that I'm using, and look forward to sharing the reviews with you on how this work on a day-to-day basis. And until then, I will see you soon in my next video. Thanks, guys.